My name's Fernando. I work for Oakland Residential Management.
My name's Luke. I'm an assistant at Scanlon's Property Management.
My name's Clemence and Matthew. I am a property assistant from Scanlon's Property Management.
So my name's Matthew Will. I work at a company called Estate Management Solutions, and essentially my role is a trainee property manager.
We're a specialist block management company that specialise in the management of small to medium-sized developments.
So my name's Liz Rowlands and I work for a company called Oakland Residential.
Hi, my name is Ian McGuinness. I'm one of the partners of Scanlon's Property Management. We are a North West and Midlands based property management company providing services to 17,500 leaseholders in residential schemes.
The role basically consists of managing and maintaining communal areas of different properties. So it includes things like organising any repairs, any major works, fire testing and kind of day-to-day maintenance really. As well as keeping one-to-one communication with leaseholders and tenants, we also go out on site inspections to the developments to meet kind of leaseholders and directors as well.
As a firm of chartered surveyors, qualification and professional service is uppermost in our mind in terms of the service that we're providing to our clients. We are also hoping and envisaging that within the next 2 to 3 years that the property management industry will become a regulated industry, and as part of that process staff will need to carry qualification.
So I've now currently taken part in 6 workshops, and I have also just started my housing project.
The workshops are very enjoyable. They're not boring at all. Everyone's engaged and you can ask as many questions as you want.
My coach, who's called Steve, provides a great presentation where we learn so much stuff about the industry in general.
The material that they provide you with at every single workshop is very informative, and you actually get to use that in your day-to-day work as well, which is very, very important for me.
In my specific course, we have block managers, we have generic property managers, we have those in housing associations, student accommodation, so it is a versatile group really, and the fact that we can share ideas, educate ourselves, educate each other really, and just get to combine all of our educations together really, I think it's quite powerful, and that's probably the best thing that anyone could get out of the workshop.
We'll definitely benefit a lot as a company by the staff being properly qualified, because the government are bringing in a new law that everyone working in property needs to have this qualification.
The involvement with the Apprentice Academy is making our staff eager and want to understand more and want to take on more responsibility. The Apprentice Academy is actually pushing them, and we're certainly seeing huge benefits as an employer in terms of staff wanting to personally develop themselves rather than being pushed into roles.
So at the end of last year we were contacted by the Apprentice Academy to see if we wanted to put our learner forward for the Apprentice Star Award. And without a doubt, I was filling that application form in straight away, and it really gave our learner a big confidence boost, and it was lovely to see somebody being rewarded. I just think it's really, really nice that not only do the Apprentice Academy offer this really supportive learning environment, they also recognise when their learners are achieving.
For anyone who's looking for an apprenticeship, I don't really think there's a better place that you can go really to be looked after by staff. The learning that you get from there as well. Every single staff member has been extremely helpful. They always want you to do the best, to get the best out of you really, and getting you to where you want to be at the end of your apprenticeship really.
So I would recommend the Apprentice Academy as a place to study, because they're the best people that you can study with. The material that they give you is very helpful, it's very true, it's very beneficial for yourself as an individual and also for whatever company that you work for.
Now see the Apprentice Academy as an intrinsic part of how we move forward, how we recruit and how we develop staff.
I think the Apprentice Academy is a great place because of the facilities that you're learning, but also the chance to have your own assigned coach to help you through your course and understand your industry to make sure you get the best qualification you possibly can.
I myself 10 years ago did an apprenticeship, and I so wish that I'd had the opportunity to do an apprenticeship course with the Apprentice Academy.
And with the success rate that the Academy has, there's no doubt that will just continue to exceed, really. So the best that there is in business.